Apple's about to drop a game changer. The new MacBook Pro is coming, and we've got the inside scoop. Stick around to find out why this is the laptop you'll want in 2025. Welcome back to GadInsider. Let's dive in. New M5 chips, Wi-Fi 7, and a sneak peek at an OLED future. Apple's MacBook Pro refresh is closer than you think. Is this the upgrade you've been waiting for? Let's break it down. According to Mark Gurman, Apple's MacBook Pro refresh is a lock for later this year, likely October. We're talking 14-inch and 16-inch models powered by the next-gen Apple Silicon M5, M5 Pro, and M5 Max. These chips are built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, specifically N3P, promising more power and efficiency. But here's the catch. This year's update's all about what's inside. No major design changes yet. So what's fresh? Expect Wi-Fi 7 support, just like the iPhone 16 lineup, for blazing fast connectivity. Apple's also rumored to pair this launch with a new M5-powered iPad Pro. The focus is on performance. Think smoother multitasking, faster rendering, and an all-around enhanced experience. But if you're hoping for a bold new look, you might need to wait. Here's where it gets exciting. In late 2026, Apple's planning a major MacBook Pro glow-up. We're talking OLED displays for richer colors and deeper blacks, a thinner design, and more surprises. This is the MacBook Pro that'll redefine what a laptop can do. For now, the 2025 models are setting the stage with those M5 chips and Wi-Fi 7. Apple hasn't confirmed the launch yet, but the rumors are strong. If you need a MacBook Pro now, the M5 models sound like a solid upgrade for power users. But if you're dreaming of that OLED display and sleek design, 2026 might be worth the wait. What do you think? Buy now or hold off? Drop your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today's scoop on the new MacBook Pro. If you're hyped for Apple's next big thing, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech updates from GadInsider.